Now that the lower radiator support is structurally sound, I want to kind of add some armor underneath and have one layer that's welded on to both sides. I just have a long piece of metal going down the length of it, and then another piece that will just bolt on and kind of add a little bit of armor to the lowest point here, because I will definitely go lower in the future, and whoever had this car before me already lowered it down on the stock lowering bolts. So this will be stage 1 of the armor. This will just go up under here, kind of bend it to match the orientation of that, and just that'll be fixed, welded on, and kind of add a little bit of integrity to all of these welds and piece milled stuff down here. And then on this side, kind of add a little bit of support there, and just one more layer for the road to eat away at.
You want it to bridge that gap and kind of make a smooth run.
With what?
Instead of folding it all the way into there, just let it be a smooth run and bridge that gap.
Can't you just put another piece of flat bar in there and just fill that?
I can, or I can beat this all the way up flush to it. I'm just trying to make us like a continuous look.
What do you mean, which one's continuous? Wouldn't they both?
So right now, if you look at this from the side, this has a nice arc and then it goes straight up to there. The damaged area kind of goes up and down. So if I sort of bridge that gap instead of follow the actual little bit of crook, I can just bridge that with the weld and it'll have like a smoother look to it.
Why not just add another, like a double layer of that beyond where that bolt is?
Okay, we can do that too.
That would make it smooth without having big globs of weld on there.
Okay, let's cut one. I think you might be onto something, because that being laminated, not only is it twice as thick, but the lamination effect, kind of like gluing plywood together, makes it that much stronger. So I think that's going to stiffen that up quite a bit.
A little bit of love from the grinder, trying to clean those welds up, make it look nice. It'll look a lot better when it's painted. I'll probably come back with something more fine, kind of even out a lot of this. Both sides of the low radiator support now have an extra layer running across the bottom, and then I'm still gonna create a little bracket just so I can hit this lowest point that'll have a bolt up here. Just kind of give this a little bit more extra protection.